Hi, my name is Jerry Fournier. I'm the Operations Manager for igus. This is our harnessing improvement programs for 2021. One of our biggest objectives this year was to bring on a new cell with its primary focus on our drive cable program. To do this, we had to rearrange a big portion of the harnessing department. We had to move out our whole kitting operation and our packaging and shipping operation. This cell is designed differently than the other cells. We've incorporated point-of-use items for all the components for the drive cable program. This will allow for the order to be picked inside of the cell as soon as the order shows up. To maximize the output in the cells, we've also put together our first post-COVID training. This training was with the whole harnessing department focused on single-piece flow. Single-piece flow will allow us to produce a greater amount of cables inside of each one of our cells. Along with the training, we've also put in a number of automated pieces of equipment throughout all the cells. This reduced the amount of handwork that we were doing in each one of the cells. This is just a few of the examples of the improvements that we've done in the harnessing department. As a result of these efforts, we've seen our cable assembly increase from 122 cable assemblies a day in early January to just over 200 cable assemblies a day in July. On a broader spectrum, we're looking to institute a second shift come this August. The second shift will allow us to do greater delivery performance for our customers than we're currently achieving.